Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you today? Today, this is my hotel room and I'm gonna show you my room today. It's a very nice place. Please have a look at this. So guys, get ready for my hotel room tour. So as you can see, this is my room today. Nice windows everywhere, nice use of lighting, LEDs, and windows everywhere. And this is my bathroom. So we're gonna shut the door, and this is it, guys. Now it will take some time to fill this tub. Meanwhile, I show you my room. So this is my room today, and as you can see, it's nice windows everywhere. This is River Mekong, as you can see, river view, and nice use of glass everywhere. Nice television here, and nice carpet, table, sofa, everything. And this is my bed, double bed. This is a dressing table, and nice use of, this is wardrobe. I put my suits here. I bought this from different parts of the world: Singapore, London, Dubai, and Holland, everywhere. I've traveled more than 66 countries around the world, and now I am making videos for YouTube just for fun. And let me show you everything, because the world is so beautiful and you need to see everything. You can't stay in one place, and now because of this, you can with the help of YouTube, you can travel staying at home. Now this is water. This is all very I like this. This is a rain shower, and this is that old world style. You want to take shower, you can use this one, but it looks really very nice, like those in the old world. The design is very nice. There is a tap here, so whichever you want, there is a tap. And this time, now you can take a rain shower here. And this is the bathtub, very nice. And there you can see there's a dressing table for hot water. This is the cold water. You can switch from here. If you want to use this one, so you can just you will vote also 50-50. Now I switch to tap, so you can faster. Curtains here, the view is absolutely mind blowing. This is the dining table, or the dressing table, and this is the bed, glass everywhere. There is a steady view for everything you need. And there is also a curtain here. If you want privacy, then it's there. Curtains are here. If you want privacy, you can just use it like this. There is also a curtain here, so it's very much like full privacy now. Now I'm going to open this. Very good quality. The curtains are very, very nice. And on the roof, it's like a wood. And there is exhaust here. And is it, guys. Feels like a Hollywood movie I saw, and it is a really very nice place to be, especially at this time. And look at the view. And it's a mountain, it's very famous one. And this, it's a sliding door here. All in all, very nice. And nice two big chairs, comfortable. They also have here for aromatherapy and lemongrass. And the air conditioner is big. And this is a table here, this is a sofa. And this is really very nice. And this is the view. You can watch television, you can sit and relax. Look at this. From here, in the connection. Yeah. So all in all, I really like this place. The room is very nice. Let's check out the mattress. It's very soft. Yeah, it's very soft. And this is the view when you relax. So right now I'm enjoying the view. All this side I can watch television, but who needs to watch television when you have such a beautiful place like this? This is LED on the top, and I think it will be nice view of the star, because after sunset today is cloudy, but maybe some other day it will be great. When the sky is clear, you can watch the stars from here, which is very nice. And that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna show you the part of the room, the dressing table. And this is, there is also this is wash basin here. There's an exhaust fan here. And this is dressing table. This is an extra one. If you want to have too many, then you can store your clothes here. Some extra space. Huge, big rooms. The room is very nice. And so the dressing table. The space to store stuff. The chair is also very nice, comfortable. This is also very nice hangers. There we have this is very nice hair dryer, Philips, and there's an electronic safe here for storing your valuables. It has got password. And now I'm going to show you. Maybe also have given this. If you want to clean the room, or if you don't want to disturb, you can put this tag outside. Have a look at this one more time. Nice bathtub. Now I will take you to the view of the hotel, so you can take some time to clean this up. And now I'm going to take you outside. Have a look. The view is very nice. The weather is very good today. And let me show you. This is a nice small chandelier here. A nice painting here. You like that? And more shiny there. And this is the view from here. The garden. It's a small garden here. And this is the view from here. And this is, let me take you downstairs and show you everything. And this is nice chair, a hammock if you want to relax. It's a small pond. They have koi fish here. They're swimming and they're enjoying. there's some fishes there. Now this is it's a boutique hotel, but I like boutique hotels as well, because you see this time the feel of the place is very nice here. It's so quiet, it's relaxing, no one to disturb you. If I go in a big hotel, there you will get more facilities, but there are too many people and you don't want to get disturbed, then you should come to a boutique hotel like this. And have a look at this. And this is Mekong River, and this is the view from here. And nice here the view, and the feel of the place is really very nice. All these are nice. It's windy now, but I don't think it will rain. And now let me take you back to my room. Nice views of this. Looks very nice. The feel of the place is incredible. Today the weather is also very nice. It's a bit windy, but it will be alright after some time. I don't think it will rain today. And now I'm back to the room. So how's this, guys? Please comment and tell. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It takes some more time, and only another 10 minutes. So now I went outside here, and you can see the view outside is stunning. The view from my bathtub. I really like it. So like you might have seen it in some Hollywood movies. It reminds me of that. And the room is fantastic. So please have a look at my other videos on channel, and I also have other channel, and you will like it. It's a different type of content on all the channel. I hope you like them all. And now I'm gonna go and relax in my bathtub. You guys please subscribe and have fun. Bye for now.